This is our complete training package. When you register, you are assigned to each of the courses in our SQF series, starting with an introduction to the system elements for Module 2 of the code, the food safety fundamentals that apply to your industry, food processing, food packaging manufacturers, or pet food processors, a gap analysis tutorial that provides you with the checklists you need to complete your gap, a template package with implementation guidance and templates that you need to implement your processes, and internal auditor training. Let's take a look. Click on a course to open. You'll notice that if you've been in before, it will track your progress. This is convenient. You can come and go as you need to. Each training has student notes in a PDF that you can download and print and use for taking notes throughout the training. Trainings consist of slides, audio, and various exercises. This training covers each of the requirements in Section 2 of the code and has a section on the principles of HACCP. Each training ends in a final test or quiz. Once you take your quiz and pass, you'll see that your certificate shows up on your training dashboard. Print your certificate as a record of your training. If you don't pass the test, you can try the training again. Food Safety Fundamentals covers the details of the module of the code that applies to you for prerequisite programs and good manufacturing practices. It covers all of the details of the various sections of the standard. The gap analysis tutorial shows you how to conduct a gap analysis and provides you with the checklists that you need to complete your gap analysis. As well as forms. These are downloaded to your computer for you to edit and use as you need them. The template package is where you'll learn how to document, design, and implement your system. This package provides you with implementation plans for each section of the standard to help you design and implement your processes, procedure templates to help you document your processes, forms to help you collect records as needed, tutorials that will educate you on how to customize your procedures to truly make them your own, prerequisite program tables to document your food safety fundamentals and GMPs, and review checklists to help your project leader make sure that everything has been addressed and covered. There's a chapter for each section of the SQF code. In each section, you will download your procedures to your computer. These are fully editable procedures so that you can make them your own. You will download the related forms, the implementation plan for the chapter that will help you make sure you have everything covered and have fully implemented the procedure in your organization, the review checklist, and the tutorial, Once you've completed all the various chapters, you can download the Food Safety Manual template to edit and make your own. The Food Safety Fundamentals chapter includes all of the prerequisite programs. You can track your progress as you finish each chapter. You will have access to this unit as long as you need to while you implement your system. Once you've implemented your system, you'll move on to internal auditor training. The internal auditor program includes introductory chapters on the requirements of the standard. In case you haven't completed those yet or would like a refresher, those units are optional. Then the internal auditor training. The internal auditor training will cover the various steps, techniques, and requirements for internal audits. It will also provide you with an exercise section to practice an audit of Mandy's Vanilla. The exercise section is interactive and provides you with all of Mandy's Vanilla's documents, the records, and procedures so that you can have a realistic audit experience. The audit is interactive and provides you with feedback as you go along. The training ends with a final test. When you pass the test, you will get your internal auditor training certificate. If you don't pass the test, you can review any section of the training again. The Complete Training Package provides you with everything you need to lead a successful certification project. Please contact us with any questions you have.